What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video, another COVID-19 whack mask video. Today we're heading into Walmart to see what we can find. Some of these clearance aisles have been hot. I've been watching some videos. We're gonna check out my local Walmart to see if they have the goods. We're also gonna check out some aisles. This place doesn't really have a lot of cleaning essentials like Target does, but they do crush the clearance aisle a lot of times. So let's head into Walmart and see what we can find for any deals that we can sell merchant fulfilled right now, because that's the name of the game. So let's head in. I guess that's one of the good things with the GoPro is it's waterproof. So this is what Walmart looks like. Target hasn't adopted this yet, but way down there, Market Basket, you probably can't see it, but there's a bunch of lines. Well, a big line. Today it was wrapped around the corner, but this is the stupidity we live in because of a virus. I have my own opinions, just like you do. Don't hate.
I turn off the lights, I got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you. I see you, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fire.
I used to do really good on these heaters, but not when they're $5. I'll catch them when they're $2.50. Nobody's buying those. These I picked up for $2 in a Walmart. They want $5. I'm not gonna pick it up for $5.
I was wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom. Don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you be dim. With my music again and again. I see you. Yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see you. Yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fired.
So these ones are all broken. You can hear it inside.
Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly. Cold, lost beneath the
garbage. Let me see. Look at these on the end cap, right? check this out. These used to bring in, the Honeywells used to bring in some good money. Now, I mean, you can make $6, but you have to understand, you're selling this merchant fulfilled, and the rank sucks. So, as much as I want to, I'm not gonna pick it up. Not gonna pick it up. I'm gonna check out some toys and electronics, see what they have over there. They had more stuff here. They had Legos here. But that's what happens when you sleep. The Legos were too high. I couldn't make a profit anyways. They have these heaters, but these heaters are on the first markdown. So they're not as low as I've seen them in the past, so we're gonna wait for those to go lower.
Toxic people being severed, like leaves falling in September.
They have paper towels. Holy shit, it's a miracle. This is like cryptocurrency right now. This is like liquid gold. Even if I'm sourcing, I have to pick this up. It's crazy. This here, it's gonna cost us $4. We're gonna double our money on it. That's really all I found over there in clearance. Need boxes. You're always going to stock up on supplies. You never know when these stores are going to close or whatever. You know what? I can't take this anymore. Oh my God. I can't breathe in that thing. Makes you hot as hell. But when you see supplies out, get supplies. Like, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Arrows. They have arrows telling you which way. So I got these boxes here, so I can't really mount the camera to the carriage, but I'm gonna try because I can't hold this shit. Alright, so I literally buzzed through electronics and there's no clearance. So I'm gonna head over to Baby because I have to go over to Baby anyways, see if there's anything over there. Literally so far I have my one little item and my supplies. And my paper towels. Because if you're living right now and you're going shopping, you know that you can't find paper towels ever. It used to be toilet paper. Now it's paper towels. So people are crazy. Let's see. Need that for the Baby. A lot of times I'm outsourcing. I buy a lot of products that I need for the house. You know what I'm saying? Because people are crazy and you never know when you're gonna be able to get them again. No clearance, man. It's kind of whack. I thought it was gonna be different. I should go to this isn't a super Walmart though, so I need to go to a super Walmart. think we're gonna head out of here. Nothing else to see here. So literally sourcing has been extremely boring. There's just nothing out there, man. I said to myself, I said, I don't want to make all these videos in the house talking blah blah blah. I want to get out in the field, source, see what's out there, but honestly, there's nothing out there. So, I mean, you find a couple of items, but it is what it is. All right, guys, we're back, and this garbage, man, it's kind of depressing. It's like, I don't know. It's strange. I think we might have to wait a little bit, maybe give it another week, maybe 2 weeks before we come out sourcing, because it's difficult to try to source, especially if you're just doing FBM, especially when these stores have junk. You want to make your trips wild, and honestly, these trips lately, garbage. The only trips that have been worth it so far are some of the Target trips, where I'm picking up a lot of the items that I can't show you. But this Walmart, trash. We're gonna visit a super Walmart soon. Maybe that will be different. This is a regular Walmart. So if you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram at Richie Hustles or Twitter at Richie Hustles. And yeah, stay humble, stay hungry, stay hustling.